How do posthumous pardons work in criminal cases? Imagine being convicted of a crime you did not commit, and then passing away before your case can be corrected. That's where a posthumous pardon comes into play. It is a formal act of forgiveness granted after someone has died. This process is a way for authorities to acknowledge that a wrongful conviction or unfair trial occurred. Unlike pardons given to living people, posthumous pardons do not change the person's criminal record or restore rights. Instead, they serve as a public recognition that the conviction was unjust. The process begins with a formal petition or request, usually submitted by family members, legal representatives, or advocacy groups. This petition must include evidence showing the person was wrongfully convicted or that new facts prove innocence. Sometimes, new evidence emerges long after the trial, which can support the case for a pardon. The petition is reviewed by officials such as governors or the president, depending on where the case took place. They often consult legal advisors, prosecutors, or victims' families during this review. The decision to grant a posthumous pardon is at the discretion of the executive authority. They may consider factors like procedural errors, racial bias, or other injustices that tainted the original trial. While a pardon does not erase the conviction from official records, it publicly states that the person was wrongfully convicted. This can help restore the person's reputation and provide some closure for their loved ones. From a criminal defense point of view, posthumous pardons highlight the importance of fair trials and due process. They reminded us that mistakes happen in the justice system, even after someone has passed away. These pardons can influence ongoing discussions about legal reforms and how to prevent wrongful convictions in the future. Getting a posthumous pardon involves gathering detailed documentation of the original case, including trial records and any new evidence. Advocates, family members, or legal teams usually lead these efforts. The process can take time because it involves complex legal and administrative steps. It often requires patience and persistence. In essence, a posthumous pardon is a symbolic act that recognizes a wrongful conviction after death. It is granted through a review process by government officials who consider whether justice was served. While it does not change legal records, it helps correct historical wrongs and offers a measure of acknowledgement and respect for the person who was wrongly convicted.